All right, hello. We're gonna continue with this project, and so far we got the light bulb in, and the socket in, and the shape, which is like, in my opinion, I like it a lot. But maybe that's just me, Like, I wouldn't expect everyone to like it, but I do like it. So right now, we got like these old bunch of pieces of, like all these booleans, right? Making this shape. Um, and we got the cube cutting it out. I'm just saying this to remember what I did. All right, and components, okay, and client icons, okay, and this one right here, that one's called a front case. Front case components. Front case, and where is it? Oh, encasing. Oh, that makes sense. All right, front case. This should be front case bool because we're gonna stay with all the booleans in there. And we're gonna have another collection called backup, just in case something mess up. Backups. I'm gonna make a copy of it. Shift D. This is gonna make your computer hurt. Escape. Don't try to move it that much. And so we're gonna stay with front case. We're gonna make these surf only a surface. You're gonna see why. You're gonna see why I refer to surface. And this bool, we're gonna send it to backups. So this surface, I'm going to do an. I just made a copy. Make sure you do make a copy because we're gonna need it later. Alt C, convert to mesh, and now every boolean operation would have been applied. That means that now it is one solid object. And that's great because we're gonna get rid of all these faces here at the back. X faces. Oh, come on. Oh, I think I joined them. Oh, no, it's because the backup, I can still see it, but if I like turn it off, there it is. There it is. Now I gotta get rid of everything else. Now, since they are like floating parts, I think what I can do pretty easily is P, separate by loose parts, and now I got this part, which is the one I want, and these other parts, I can just get rid of them like just by clicking on them, which is like way easier. So yeah, pam pam. I want. Come on, piece of thing. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. I think that's it. I'm gonna delete them. I don't really need them at all. I just want that this case. This is what I want. Good. I think something we could do right now is getting rid of some triangles here below to make like the holes. Oh, I'm so excited. All right. So like, let's see it from below. Control 7. If that doesn't work for you, remember to go to edit. Yeah, edit preferences, input, emulate numpad. So you can make that control 7 to go into bottom, 7 to go into top, 1 to go front, 3 side, and so forth. All right, so let's go Z. Okay, let's get rid of something around these zone right here. So I'm thinking like this one, this one, this one, this one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, why not? What do you think? Or how about just triangles? Like like this. No, maybe I don't know. Not sure. Or like triangles for which are not adjacent to each other, like this one. I don't know if I should leave like this space right here. It seems like pretty flimsy if we leave it like that. Or we can make like the whole hole, the whole hole. Um, yeah, I mean, I'm thinking kind of like getting rid of like this, like that, you know, like that. Maybe this one, these three. Um, Here as well. I think we can go all the way like to the back like this. Um, Maybe these two, or maybe these two. How about I like it. Maybe. I don't know. Um, Maybe if I get rid of like all the way to the end, that may look nicer. Like this. Like if I go all the way back. Like that. Maybe. I think I like that better. Like this. Maybe not this one. So if I see it from the front, I think this one is too much. Maybe this one is too much. I want the light to go downward, not frontward. I think here some light can go out to here, maybe. Maybe like maybe like that. I mean, let's play around. Like, how about that? Yeah, I think that looks nice. Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna mess it up. I'm going to leave it selected. Shift D, and then surface, no holes, and this I'm gonna send it to backups, and then I'm gonna stay with this one, and I'm gonna delete the holes. Uh-oh. Yep, that's what I'm looking for. Now it feels a bit flimsy, but let's see what happens. So I got that now. I'm gonna add a modifier called a solidify modifier, and I'm gonna make it thicker, not outward, but no, that's outward, inward. And as you can see now, I have a thickness. In some angles that may be an issue, but I don't see an issue so far, so I'm glad. Well, I think there's an issue right there. Let's see what the thickness. Let's see from the side. Z. Okay, so it looks good so far. Looks good so far. I think there's gonna be an issue here, but we're gonna have to repair it. I'm liking it. I think I like these holes. They look cool. You know what I should have done, maybe? Nah, I like the holes. I'm thinking, what if we do those holes out of a translucent plastic? But no, I think the whole thing should be a translucent plastic, and these should be actual holes, like letting light go down. Yeah, why not? Why not? Let's go bold. All right, give me 1 sec. All right, I guess right now we should make sure the thickness is good enough. Let's do that, and then let's make the lid. Well, let's make this flat, and then let's make the lid. Yep. Okay, so this surface is now surface with holes. You know what? Let's try to make like a more compact language here. Front case surface holes. Yeah. All right. Let's see it from the back. Control 1. Let's go zoom into one of these like edges. Let's grab a ruler. 3 millimeters. That's pretty good. Actually, I think that's too much. We're looking for. No, I think 3 is good. Yeah, 3 is definitely good. Yeah, good. So yeah, that worked for me. 3 point. Oh, so you can move here. Oh, that's interesting. I can change this and it changes there. Oof. Simple, complex. Oh wow, I don't even know what this is. Oh my god. Offset, even thickness, only rim. Damn, that's good. Alright. So why don't we change it to maybe if we're 3D printing it, yeah, 3 is fine. Yeah, 3. Wow, I think that's new. Before Blender would just give you like a percentage of fill. That's pretty cool. Great job, Blender. Alright, so that's that. We're gonna make a copy of that. Save it to backup. And now this one, we are going to apply the thickness. So we're gonna add the word thick, and we're gonna say here. We're gonna go crazy now. Apply, and we want to apply it because we want those vertices to be editable. And also, there's gonna be some repairing we're gonna have to do. I think. I hope not. I really hope not. But you know, like here, like check that out. Check like view. No, what? Select what? View. Okay, here, frame selected. Here. What's going on in there? What the heck's going on in here? So yeah, you're gonna have to check that, like who's messing with who. View. And then you grab it, and then you start like, I don't know why this focal length changed. I think it was 50. You're just gonna like untangle like this kind of, and if there's too many vertices, you can always hit M at center, just join them. Like too many vertices, M at center, making it easier. All right, and you want that. You want like a face outside, a face inside, and space between them. That's what you want. That's what you need, right? This, and center. Get rid of like all that messy areas. I think this is good. Oh my god. No, that's good. Yep, good stuff. Yeah, you're gonna have to run some checks around here. I mean, worst case scenario, we're gonna detect the problem when we are about to 3D print. But if you can detect something before, that would be great. Now, let's see it from the side. 3. Look at those super big vertices. Like, what the heck? Alright. Oh my god, I'm not liking what I'm looking at. So, since we have some vertices, like, close to the vertices that I want to select, like, this. Okay, so, you're gonna have to select by face. So, we're gonna select, like, all these faces. All of these ones right here. Oh my goodness. So every, like the ones that are like, that were created out of the final edge, all of these ones, like all of these ones. Yep. All of these ones. Oh, messy. Alright, let's repair it, and let's remember there was something messy here because I don't want to deselect what I just selected. Maybe with this thing we're gonna do. Now what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna make this flat so we can create a lid that sticks to it. Oh my god, messy again. Look at that. Not good. Dun, 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, dun, dun, dun. Oh my god. We got this, people. We got this. Let's not lose hope. Let's not lose hope. Yeah, I know. I know. Takes a while. Alright. I think we got all of them. Now we're gonna see it from the side. Well, I mean from here is fine. I'm gonna do it's check out which line do you have here. In my case I got the Y one, the green one, the Y. So we're gonna do a scale in Y 0. And that's gonna make all the faces go flat. And that's what we need. Now let's check the mistakes we had hopefully here. Or we still have. Select this. Select for frame selected. Nope. That's good. I think here was the mess. Well, not anymore. I mean, this face can be triangulated. Control T. When you see a face that is like it could be like twisting. We gotta make sure it's flat, like this one right here. Check, there's like a, well, there's a bit of a curve. Control T. This one right here. I mean, this is not like, nothing happens if you don't do this actually. Like, Blender is gonna do it for you when you export it. But if you're afraid it might do it the wrong way, you can check before. Anyway, don't worry. I think here we should get rid of this. We should get rid of this, and that. Like that. Yep. And let's just select these. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I didn't turn on the screencast keys. I hope you already know like the commands I'm using. I'm so sorry. You can ask me in the comments or in the classroom if you have any question. So I think that's looking good. Yep, I hope that's looking good. I mean, I like it. Oh my goodness sake. We still gotta do the acrylic thing. I think we're doing good. Alright, woof. Alright. Why don't we make a lid now? Yeah, a lid would be good. We would feel like some sense of accomplishment if we do the lid. Let's grab all the, sorry. But yeah, we have to select all these edges, the outer ones. I know. You know, put some music on while you do this. Here, be careful to actually select all of them. The small ones. You know, I would put some music, but I think if I put music, YouTube is gonna ban my video because of copyright, whatever. And I really enjoy doing these things that I don't have to think that much with music. Because, you know, when I'm reading something, I have to think. And I cannot put, oh, what is that? I feel like, what are those? Kind of thing. No. I know. Too much panning, clicking. You're gonna become a pro. Oh, Messi. And I don't mean Argentinian Messi. I mean like Messi. Check this out. We're gonna correct that. No. Alrighty, almost there. Make sure you go inside in the holes. We don't need those. Alright, alright. Almost there. Almost there. Alright, we got all the edges now. And now we're going to Shift D, copy them. But then hit escape. Now before unselecting or whatever, P to separate the selection. And now we got a new object called the copy, like 001. But we're gonna change the name to case lid. I'm gonna go into edit mode of that one. I'm gonna select all of it and we're gonna click fail. That didn't work. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna go to view, local view, toggle local view. If you have a numpad, the / works. I mean, even if you don't have a numpad, that works. We're gonna go vertices, select the vertices here, join them, join every hole you have over there, every like gap, fill. What if I do a fill? Yes! Yes. There we go. We got a face. And then if we see it compared with the other one, they should match perfectly. Yep. Actually, I think this face, we can make it. I'm still thinking, but I think this could be a great shape. I mean, what if we do this thing out of acrylic, and then we just add the thunderbolt here below? I think that would look good. But Francisco, how are you gonna like bolt it in? Well, we just cut in acrylic the little holes for the screws, and that's it. I mean, the only question that remains is there a piece of acrylic that big? Well, perhaps. Now I got here a piece of acrylic. I got here a piece of acrylic. I just want to measure the thickness of it because I want to try that experiment. So this piece of acrylic is 3 millimeters. 3 millimeters. So we're gonna enter. I'm gonna extrude in this direction, which is the negative direction, -3. Good. Now I got so I got this part, which is the lid, and I got this part, which is the case. Oh my god, are we doing progress or what? Whew. Awesome job, people. Yeah, we're almost there. We're working towards it. We're just missing like the itty bitty part, like the its and bits. We're gonna make sure that everything fits. We're gonna make some holes. We're gonna make some screw thing, part connection thing. We're gonna do the thunderbolts. Actually, yeah, we're gonna do the thunderbolts. Oh man, check that out. We're doing awesome. Love it. Alright, so I'll see you in the next one, in which we're gonna work on the assembly part of this whole situation. But for now, I think we got 70%, 80% of our project done. We just gotta work that everything assembles nicely. All right, see you in the next one.